Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to set up your Aigital Wi-Fi extender. Whether you're using the WPS button for a quick setup or manually configuring it through the settings page, we've got you covered. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have extended your Wi-Fi coverage and boosted your signal in just a few easy steps. Stay connected and enjoy better Wi-Fi throughout your home. So let's start the setup process. First of all, we will discuss the manual setup. Manual setup is when you connect and configure a device, like a Wi-Fi extender, by entering its settings yourself. Instead of using an automatic method like pressing a button, you follow a few steps, such as connecting to the device's network, opening a browser, and entering your Wi-Fi information. It gives you more control over how the device is set up. Take your Aigital Wi-Fi extender and plug it into a power outlet near your router. It's important to start close to the router for an optimal connection during the setup. On your phone, tablet, or computer, go to the Wi-Fi settings and look for the extender's default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, which might be something like Aigital_EXT or similar. Select this network to connect to the extender. Once connected to the extender's network, open a web browser, e.g., Chrome, Safari, Firefox, and enter the IP address for the extender's configuration page. This address is typically printed on the device or in the user manual. Common addresses include 192.168.188.1 or 192.168.0.1. You may be prompted to enter a username and password. These are usually set to admin/admin by default, or the specific credentials will be provided in the manual. Once logged in, follow the setup wizard. The extender will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your main router's Wi-Fi network from the list. After selecting your Wi-Fi network, you'll need to enter the password for your main Wi-Fi router. Make sure you enter it correctly. You may be given the option to change the extender's SSID, Wi-Fi network name, or leave it the same as your main Wi-Fi network. You can also set up a password for the extended network if desired. Once you've completed the configuration, save the settings. The extender may restart to apply the changes, which could take a minute or two. After setup is complete, disconnect from the extender's default network and reconnect to your extended Wi-Fi network using your device. So now we will discuss the WPS setup process. WPS, Wi-Fi Protected Setup, is a quick and easy way to connect devices, like a Wi-Fi extender, to your router without typing in a password. You simply press the WPS button on both the router and the extender, and they automatically connect. It's a fast setup option for extending your Wi-Fi. Let's start the setup process now. Firstly, take your Aigital Wi-Fi extender and plug it into a power outlet near your router. It's important to start close to the router for an optimal connection during the setup. Look for the WPS button on your router. It's usually located on the back or side of the device and labeled WPS. Press and hold this button for a few seconds. Within 2 minutes of pressing the WPS button on your router, press the WPS button on the Wi-Fi extender. This will establish a connection between your router and the extender automatically. After pressing the WPS button on both devices, wait for the lights on your extender to stabilize. A solid light, usually green, indicates that the extender is connected to your router and functioning properly. Once the lights indicate a successful connection, unplug the extender and move it to a location that is between your router and the area where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.